The kitchen is all about community. It's about cooking and nutrition, giving kids skills for now, for the future, creating good things for the community and good things for life. Hello, I am Damaris Phillips. I'm joined by my friend Parker. We're in the GE Appliances kitchen, and today we are going to be making some great recipes for quite possibly the most important food day of the year, Thanksgiving. Who's ready to get started?
Me.
Okay, me too. Parker, can you believe that we created this entire meal?
Pinch me.
Are you dreaming? I didn't pinch hard, I promise. I didn't pinch hard. I didn't pinch hard. It was so good. This was really, really fun with you.
Yeah.
And I think to celebrate, we should try our food.
Yeah.
100%?
I'm hungry.
Okay.
So hungry.
So, here's what we're gonna do. A little bit of chicken. Here we go. That's just a little piece, okay? Don't worry.
A little bit of
You can have more. Don't worry, don't worry. That one's baby. That one's for me. Look at how good the green beans look. I really think the green beans are the star of the show. What are you trying first?
I'm gonna try the green beans.
Okay. What do you think?
Hands down the best thing I've ever tried.
The green beans? Wait till you try the chicken. I'm gonna do a little bit of the chicken with a little bit of the green bean sauce. It's gonna be like a cheesy gravy. What? We nailed the roasted chicken.
I took like all of the skin, but
That's okay, the skin's the best part. And it gets so crispy in our air fry toaster oven. So crispy. Good? The salt on the outside of it makes that skin get extra crispy, and it's still so juicy on the inside. Plus, I like that little hit of citrus that you're getting in there.
yeah.
I can tell Parker likes the green beans best. Try the chicken with the sauce. The sauce is magic, you all.
Okay.
Okay, try it. What do you think?
I didn't even touch my lips before my eyes just.
Lit up?
Yeah.
Do you think the sauce is better on the green beans or on the chicken?
On the green beans.
You do.
The green beans are just the best part. I cannot.
You guys, green beans are where it's at. Whenever I eat the apple, I take my fork and my knife and I cut. I kind of poke it with my fork and then I cut all the way through to the bottom. Look at it. What? Stuffed full? Okay, let's try yours. You kind of poke it and then you cut through. Look at that. Gorgeous, right?
It looks amazing.
We missed.
Wait, 3, 2, 1.
We missed again. It's too good. It's making us crazy. Okay, if I told you that this was healthy, would you believe me?
Well, I kind of believe you because there's yogurt, which is yogurt good for you. Nuts are good for you.
Yep,
And apples are good for you. So.
absolutely. And we put whole grains in there. What? We're killing it. Good for us desserts. Good for you, good for your family, good for your friends, good for Thanksgiving, good things for life.